This could be the car for you. The 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.